Okay, so I am going to reinstall this mirror that fell down, and it says mark it outside so that you can see where to stick it back on, but I have to clean it with alcohol and clean up all the gunk that's left over. So yeah. Just to catch whatever's falling down there. But it's going all over the place, so does it really matter? No, it doesn't. My glasses. No, the heat is helping too. Alcohol. This. Scraped all that off. It's so loud. Street workers over there. It's just really loud. See, look. That's cute now. I didn't get as much as I want out of it, but I think it's good enough. I cleaned that side, so I need the hex screw to get that out of there, because if I put this on there with the adhesive, it's probably going to fall back down. I need to take a picture of it, so take a picture. But this is the bottom, so it goes like this. So she is connected. Okay, so that's the button. This thing right here is very hard to understand the directions on how to do it, because this part was on top there, like it was covering the felt tip, and you're supposed to squeeze this bottle, but this bottle broke. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, but it was like it cracked like in my hand, in my fingers. See that? I don't know if that's gonna, I don't think it cut me, but it could cut you. And I guess unless I did it wrong, but they said squeeze it, so I was squeezing it hard. So this is what you apply to the mirror, to the glass, and also to the button that goes in the back of this mirror thing. And then you wait 5 minutes, I guess, to just accommodate the adhesive, which is this part right here. And then you apply the adhesive to just the button, and you gotta hold it down for like a minute. And boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, kind of scared. And then it just stuck there really quickly, and so I just put blue tape just to hold it for a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna keep this towel in the, outside because it's hot. The sun is like beaten down on it, so maybe I should get like a piece of Reflectix. I think that this happened before to someone else, and it's an awesome van. The way it's built, the way the engine is built, but boy, oh boy, like everything is falling apart. I just had replaced the mechanism for the window, the power windows for both, and then I'm already seeing that yesterday it was hard for me to open the sliding door, and so hopefully that doesn't go out anytime soon because I cannot afford to get it fixed. This is the product that I use. I got this from Amazon, so if you want the link for that is going to be in the description. And it was like something like $8, $7, something like that, just for one application. See here, that right there, that's what mine looked like. But I had to remove it from the actual mirror because where is it? Because there was a screw, so I might as well just leave it there for like a day so it can stick to it like really, really well, hopefully. Okay, bye.
1 week later.
So that's out of there. See if it's stuck. Pretty good. Stuck in there pretty good. Okay, so we are going to do this. Oopsie. There we go. I'm loving it. In there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh my gosh, so cute. That little baby is so cute. Everybody's pregnant in this street. There's 2 pregnant ladies over there. Look. Oh, look at this. Oh, I am so proud of myself. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm so proud. Look at that. Oh, so perfect. No, don't look at me. Look at that. Perfect. Perfectly aligned. Working now. I'm so happy. See? A little bit of glue. $7. I got it fixed. If I went to the dealership or whoever, that's gonna be a lot of money. So I just saved so much money because I did it myself. And as always, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. And please hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.
Here, have some coffee. It sounds stick 'em on the